Today I will discuss about the previous year question paper 2018 for DC machine and transformer. The group A, question number 1. The armature core of a DC machine is laminated to reduce. Here the right answer will be eddy current loss. Okay, because when an alternating magnetic field is applied to a magnetic material, an EMF is induced in the material itself. Okay, since the magnetic material is conducting material, these EMF circulates current within the body of the material. Okay, these circulating current within the body of the material are called eddy current. To minimize eddy current loss, we increase the resistance in the path of eddy current by laminating it. Okay, so that to minimize eddy current loss, we have to laminate core of the armature. Okay, here you see the formula for the eddy current loss. PE is equals to KE into BM square T square F square B. Here T is the thickness of the lamination and V is the volume of the magnetic material. Here T is directly proportional to eddy current loss. That is, eddy current loss change with the square of the thickness of the lamination. So we have to reduce the eddy current so that we also reduce the thickness of the lamination. Okay, so that right answer will be option number B. Question second, torque current characteristics of a DC shunt motor is. Here the right answer option A, a straight line, because torque is directly proportional to armature of the current. Okay, here the graph you will see that T and IA, here for a straight line condition proportionality constant. Okay, here the graph will be a straight line. Question number third, EMF induced in each conductor of a DC machine will be an alternating EMF. Alternating EMF also known as sinusoidal or AC. Okay, so the right answer for question 3 will be A. Question 4, the field coil of a DC machine are made up of copper. For right answer, question number 4 will be option B. Copper has so many good electrical conductivity, good thermal conductivity and good corrosion resistance. Okay, here these are the basic property for copper material, so the any type of field coils has been used in DC machine, either alternator, either generator, motor, etc. Okay, for AC machines also alternator, transformer, where coppers are used. So right answer will be option number B. Question number 5, the starter of a DC motor is used to limit armature current. Okay, because for any motor the starting current is high, so that the starting torque will be very high. To minimize the starting current, we use the starter. Okay, for question 5 right answer will be option number A. If you remember about the EMF equation or back EMF for the motor, EB is equals to Pn phi z divided by 60A. If you suppose that n is equals to 0, that means speed of motor will be 0, that is back EMF will also 0. For the starting time, the conditions armature current is equals to V minus EB divided by RA. If EB is equals to 0 because of n is equals to 0, therefore armature current is equals to V upon RA. Here for the starting voltage, if gradually increased, that is armature current also increased. For starting armature current is very high, so the torque will be very high. So minimize the starter runs properly. Okay, we have to minimize the armature current. Okay, or limit the armature current. So question number 5, right answer will be option A. Okay. For next question number 6, the starting torque of a DC series motor is. Here the starting torque of DC series motor is directly proportional to the armature current. Okay. So here option number C is very high. Okay. For series motor. Question number 6, the right answer will be option C. Okay. For also you have to know that for DC shunt motor the starting torque is moderate. Okay, not high, moderate for DC shunt motor, or for DC series motor the starting torque will be very high. Okay. For question 7, lap winding is suitable for. Here this question more repeated question. For lap winding the right answer will be option number A, high current and low voltage of a DC machine. Okay. Sometimes the question changed for wave winding. For wave winding, low current and high voltage is the right answer. But in this question, lap winding is suitable for high current and low voltage. So option number A will be right for question 7. Okay. Question number 8. If the flux in a DC motor is decreases, the speed of motor will be. Here the right answer for question 8 is option A, increases, because speed is directly proportional to the back EMF induced in the motor and inversely proportional to the flux produced in the motor. Okay, so if the flux of DC motor decreases, so that the speed will be increases, because flux and speed are inversely proportional to each other. Okay, for right answer option number A, increases. Question number 9. Transformer core is made up of silicon steel. Okay. Here the silicon steel is the special type of steel which is used to core of the transformer. Okay. The property carrying flux is called permittivity of the magnetic material. Here the silicon material is the property to carry magnetic flux. Okay. The right answer for question 9 will be option D. For question 10, a transformer does not transform. It is the basic theory which is used in transformer. Transformer does not transform power and frequency. Okay, electrical energy, that means power and frequency, does not transform in the another form. Okay, but voltage and current is transfer from one place to another place. Okay, but in this case transformer does not transform means change to another form. Okay, here power will be given in the option, to right answer option A, power. If frequency is mentioned, then frequency and power also will be the right answer. So question number 10, the right answer option B, option A, power. Okay. For 11, transformer action requires A. Here alternating magnetic flux is right answer. Okay, transformer action requires for alternating magnetic flux. Question number 11, right answer option C. Question 12, the leakage flux in a transformer depends upon the load current. Here the right answer, load current. Okay, here one thing is that it is independent from voltage, frequency and power factor. This is also for an objective question. This is basic theory. Okay, here depends upon load current but independent from voltage, frequency and power factor. Okay, here I have already mentioned these topics. Okay, the leakage flux depends on the load current and independent of voltage, frequency and power factor. Okay, for question number 13, CRGO lamination in a transformer are used to minimize both eddy current loss and hysteresis loss. Option number C is the right answer. CRGO means cold rolled grain oriented steel. Grain means crystals. Its grain are aligned in the direction of rotation. It provides low reluctance path to flux, causing laser hysteresis loss. Okay, here it is the very important points. CRGO provides low reluctance path to flux, causing laser hysteresis losses, and it also provides high resistance, causing laser eddy current loss. Okay, because it has more silicon content, because CRGO contains silicon. Okay, so it is high resistance, causing laser eddy current losses. Okay, therefore eddy current loss and hysteresis loss will be right answer for option C. Okay, question number 14. Welding transformer is a, it is also repeated question. Welding transformer are a step down transformer. Here, for a step down condition, number of primary turns greater than number of secondary turns, and voltage of primary side will be greater than secondary side. Okay, and the transformation constant K less than 1. Okay, for question 15, the voltage transformation ratio of a transformer is, here option number A is the right answer, E2 by E1. E2 by E1 is the voltage transformation ratio. It is induced secondary voltage to the induced primary voltage. Okay, for question 16, a three-phase transformer over a bank of three single-phase transformer of equal rating has the advantages of, here all the above options are correct. Low cost, less weight, occupation of less space. Okay, because the bank of three single-phase transformer is the bulky. Okay, here one transformer has been made up for the bank of three phase transformer. Okay, here one transformer is made up for the three separate transformers. Okay, here the low cost, because the material are less usage, less weight, because here one transformer is work as compared to three different transformer. Okay, and occupation of less, because less space is, here only one transformer is made up. Okay, the both for the all questions, for the all options are correct. Okay, question 14, the right answer option D. Question 15, sorry, this is the question number 16. Okay, for question 17, in polyphase transformer, three phase to two phase conversion done by, here Scott connection are used. Okay, Scott connection basically used for reduced to polyphase transformer into two phase conversion. Okay, polyphase are also known as TT connections. Okay, sometimes it is also known as TT connection. Option number A is the right answer for question 17. Okay, question number 18, which of the following connection is transformer is best suited for three phase 4 wired services? Here delta to star connection is the right answer. Delta to star connection is a popular for a step down transformer in distribution side. Here distribution side low voltage applications are used. Okay, and also used for step up transformer for high voltage transmission. Okay, so delta to star connection is the more suitable for three phase 4 wire services. Option number D is the right answer. Question number 19, the function of breather in a transformer is, here the breather provides to arrest the moisture in the atmosphere. Okay, to arrest flow of moisture when outside air enters into the transformers. Okay, the right answer option number C for 19. Okay, the last one, question number 20, the efficiency in of an auto transformer for the same output compared to a two winding transformer Here option number A is right answer, greater, because the efficiency of auto transformer is more high in compared to two winding transformer, because low ohmic loss and core loss due to the reduction of transformer material. Here auto transformer less material has been used. Due to less material, ohmic resistance is reduced and core loss also reduced because of low conducting material used, okay, as compared to two winding transformer. So the right answer will be option number A. Okay, the all options has been correct in this PDF or in these solutions. Okay, so I have repeated the options only. Okay, for question 1 option number B is right answer. For question 2 option number A for right. For question 3 option number A. For question 4 option number B. For question 5 option A. For question 6 option C. For question 7 option A. For question 8 option A. For question 9 option D. For question 10 option A. Question 11 option C. For question 12 option C. For question 13 option C. For question 14 option A. Question 15 option A. For question 16 option D. Question 17 option A. Question 18 option D. Question 19 option C. Question 20 option A. Okay, thank you for watching this video.